Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your name in the Vivino app. First, we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu in the top left corner. Then we tap on settings. And here we can edit our first name and then our last name. And after we have typed in the correct one, we can just tap on OK, and it's going to save it, and we can change it as many times as we want to. There is no limit to it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.